Hello, friends. Very good evening to everyone. After a long time, I'm going to post a video, audio video on a strategy called cash secured put. What is cash secured put? If you check in Google, you may understand or you may not understand. It will be little bit complicated. Let me explain you in very clear and simple term. Okay, let me give you one live example which I have suggested to my client. In the month of April, Nifty topped out at 15,430 level and it started correcting towards 14,400 and 14,200, and finally it settled down at 14,150 level and made a low at 14,150. After that, it was a continuous bull run, and you all know that Nifty had made high 18,604. So what I suggested to my client, it was in the month of April when Nifty started correcting from 15,430. I requested my client to short a put option at 13,000 strike price for December month expiry. Okay, he wanted to buy more and more stocks if Nifty corrected towards 13,000 or 12,000 or 12,500. In this range, he wanted to buy more stocks. So he had a capital of about 10 lakhs. He wanted to invest all the 10 lakhs. Then I suggested the market is at very very peak. Please do not invest your hard earned money now at the peak of the market. I suggested him to deploy his 25% of his capital, which is nothing but 2.5 lakhs. So 2.5 lakhs on cash secured put. Around 14,300 level, I asked him to sell 13,000 put option at 300. I told him if the sold put option goes to 500 or 600, if Nifty corrects towards 13,000 or 12,500, then I asked him to buy stocks at cheaper rate. The purpose is selling a OTM put option of the long-term expiry. If the market goes directly upside move, and there are chances of missing out for the entry for your equity portfolio. However, if the market falls further down, then you will get a cheaper cost of all the equity shares. So that is the main motto of cash secured put. If the market goes up, don't feel that you missed the entry. You have cash secured put. At least 50% of your plan will get success instead of buying the equity shares. If goes further down, no problem. You will buy at cheaper cost for all the equities. So at 300 rupees for 13,000 put option he sold. Now it is almost going to be zero. So 300 rupees at that time the Nifty lot size was 75. So he got about 45,000 rupees profit for 2 lots on an investment of 2 lakhs. So it is exactly about 18% return within 9 months. So this is how we need to plan and buy equity shares. We should not buy equity shares directly at higher rate. Instead, we can initiate cash secured put. If it further falls, no problem. Book the loss in sold option, book the loss in sold option, and buy the equity at cheaper price. Right? If market goes directly up, don't think that you have missed the entry. Still, you have about 45,000 worth of profit, which is 18%. If you would have got the equity shares at the market price instead of selling the option, definitely you would have made some 30% or 35% profit. But what will happen if the market goes further down if you buy the equity when Nifty at 14,200 level? So this is how many big shots or many big FIIs and DIIs they will plan their equity portfolio in such a fashion. So that's it from my side about cash secured put, and hope it is very clear. If you have any further questions on this cash secured put, please ping me. I will explain you in very much detail. if in case you require more knowledge about this cash secured put, just simply go and type in Google cash secured put. So you will have a lot of examples